How to create a 2D scene. Hi guys, if you want to create a 2D scene, it's very easy. You have to go in the hierarchy windows, click right and select 2D tile map. Then you have to go in windows, once again you choose 2D and this time tile palette, and you will see you got plenty of tiles. Guys, let's create first the ground with 4 tiles in the y direction and 50 tiles in the x direction. For that you have to select the tiles that you want. For example, I will take the first one. Let's take this one, put it for example here. Okay, here the second one, third. So I have to put 50 like that. So if you don't have any correct view, I mean, you have to scroll with your mouse. Okay, and if I choose this hand, I can move like that and have another vision. So then let's select again the tile and let's continue like that. Guys, for the back part of the ground, I need to add 3 more ground. I will select this tile. So let's do it. So now we already have 1, so 2, 3 and 4. Let's continue like that. If you miss some, it's not a big deal. I will show you how to erase. Okay, let's do that. Okay, for this row, it's like that. Okay, almost there. And this one, imagine that you put one, you miss, you put one more. So for that you have to take this eraser and erase like that. Okay guys, let's simulate 2 traps, one at the beginning of the scene and one at the end. So for that I will take the eraser and I will erase, for example here, let's erase some 8 tiles, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's do that even here at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then I will add some ramps at the beginning here, another one at the end. Same for this trap. So let's take this ramp and let's put it one here and another one here, and similar for the other part. So one here and another one here. So here you see there is some grass. There's some grass here but not here, so I will change those tiles on putting the one at the beginning, the first one that we use. So let's put here, 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 and it will be a little bit more beautiful, and similar for here. Just put it above the one that already exists. To create the foreground, use tile map and tile palette and spread tiles in X and Y direction. Guys, let's see how to create a background in the next video.